Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So last week I promised you guys that I'll be doing the part 2 of this lesson we did last week. Okay, so in today's video we'll be looking at the part 2, and I have very nice bass lines, very nice bass fills, passing note for you. Okay, we'll be looking at the same song, but if you haven't watched that lesson, I recommend you go watch the lesson. You see the link over here, just click on the link, go and watch the lesson so that you get the flow, get a concept. And after you're done watching the video, then you can come to this video and also learn what I'm to share with you. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. I want you to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any video I upload on this channel. Okay, I also do private class lesson if you are totally a beginner, want to start your bass journey. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on that link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so as I said earlier, this is the continuation of the part 1. Okay, so now we'll be looking at the third bass line for that same song for you. So 162. Okay, so it goes like this: 1 2 3 5 3 7 6. Okay, so when you're done playing 6, then you slide to your 3, then 6 7, then 4 3 2 2 2, then to your 4, then you play these cool fills to your 5. Okay, 4. You understand? Okay, so 4, you slide to your 1, 4 3 2 5 6 5 2 4 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, da 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 da. Okay, 2 2 3 4. You understand? Da da da. You understand? Okay, go now to your 1 2 3. Da da da. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 5 6 1 2 3. Now to your 4. Okay, very nice. Okay, so okay, so 3, you slide to your 1 4 5 4 3 2 4. You are also made this place mighty. Okay, so now let's look at the fourth bass line for this song. Okay, so you saw how the bass line went. Very cool, very sweet. Okay, so the same progression. So da 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 da. Now to your 6. Okay, so there's this cool fills you can play from your 1 to your 6, which I know many of you know. You understand? So do da 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 da. But maybe some of you do not know how to apply it. You understand? So it is from 1 to 6. So 1 da 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 to your 6. So 1, then you play 2 3 5 1 6. Okay, so if you are finding it difficult to play it with your fingers, let me show you. So I normally play it this way. Okay, so you have your first finger on your 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3. So 1 2 3. Then my first finger is playing 5. You see the top here? The top here of my finger is playing 5, 5, and the down here, you understand, the line here is playing the 1. So I'm playing 5 1 5 1. You understand? So okay, then my little finger is playing my 6. You understand? Okay, so Do, da, 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 da. So now a very nice pass note to your 2. Do, da, da. That is 2 3 6 2. Okay. So this is how to play it. Okay. So you pluck on your 2, you hammer on your 3, you pluck on your 6, and pluck on your 2. See the technique. Okay. So da da da. You are awesome in display, mighty God. So when I played the 2, I decided to descend to my root. Okay, so I don't want to get stuck on 2 just like that. So 2 da 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 da. So you have your 2 6 4 3 2. So da 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 da. Then now to your 4. If you remember the progression, 3 4. You understand? 3 4. Then to my 5, I play this cool feel. Okay, so let me show you how I played it. So 3 4. Then I plucked on my 2. I plucked on my 2 and hammer on my 3. So 2 3. Then plucked on my 6. Slide backward to my 5. So da. Okay, I hope you got that. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, so I think this is where the progression changed. Okay, so I'll teach you something. So you said I'm playing 3 3 6 2 5. You understand? Instead I'm supposed to 5 5 1, but I decided to do that long way. Okay, so you can do this in certain worship song. Yeah, you just need to understand how to use it. So what I did here was I played on my 5, then to my 3. Okay, pass note back to my 3, 5 4 3. Then to my 6, 1 7 6. Okay, so 2 3 6 5 4 3. Then 1 7 6. Then I'll be going to my 2. So I want you to learn this part alone very well. Okay, in case you meet this kind of progression out there. So 3 6 2 5 1 da 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 da. Then now to your 2. What I played here was 5 4 3 1 7 6. So now I'll be going to the 2, and I played this note da 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 to my 2. So 6 7 1 3 2. Okay, then now to my 5, 6 7 1 3 2 3 4 6 5. It's like you're playing 2 5 1. You understand? So 6 2 5 1. Okay, so 6 2 5. Then now to my 1. You understand? Okay, so 6 7 1 6 7 1 3 2 3 4 6 5. Then now to my 1. 6 7 2 1. You understand? Okay. Na, 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 na. Da, 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 da. You see? So it is not confusing. If you still do not understand, it will come by itself. Okay, you can decide to bring this to any song, but you just need to understand the progression first. So let me show you how you can bring that progression to that song. So let's start again. Da 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 da. 2 2 2. Then to your 4. Da 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 da. So da 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 da. So you can decide not to end simple. Da 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 5 5 5 5 1 5. Then you continue. You understand? So if you want to end a song, then you can bring that progression. That is 3 6 2 5 1. Okay, 5, because you know that you be ending from 5, then back to 1. So when you are on 5, go to your 3. 1 2 3 da 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 da. You understand? Okay, so you just know the progression and the notes that will guide you to play that. You can just play, but just make it sound great. Okay, so when you don't play 3 4 6 5 6 7 1 da 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 2 3, then I play these very cool fills to your 4. 1 2 3, that is to your 4. Okay, so if you don't want to play 1 2 3 4, then you can do. Okay, so 1 2 3, then you slide to your 2, then you play 5 6 5 3 4. Okay, so this was what I did to make it sound cool. You see, 2 5 6 5. So I plucked on my 2, I plucked on my 5, hammer on my 6, I did a shake there, then I plucked on my 5. Okay, you see, then 3 3 4, then to my 6. Okay, so you can play 4, then your 6, then to your 2, a pass note you played here. You can decide to bring it. You can decide to play it at a heavy note. 2 3 6 2 3 4 6 5. Then you end the song 5 1. Okay, so I've given you 4 massive groove you can play for this kind of song. You understand? But this last one, I'll show you how you can end a song using the 3 6 2 5 1. You understand? Okay, so just take time and try to master them little by little. Don't rush. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys this coming Thursday. Bye for now.
Mighty God, as I come into your presence, past the gates of praise, into your sanctuary.